What is up, guys? Dallas here. I know I've been a little MIA the last few weeks on pretty much all my social media platforms, but this summer I've just been trying to just focus on enjoying life a little bit. Got a little burnt out posting so many videos on all platforms, but we are back with another video for you guys today. We've had our truck for almost, I guess it has been 2 years. And the one thing I immediately had to do was upgrade my floor mats. We had the upgraded version from Toyota with their all-weather, and you guys know how it is. It's not really upgraded. Yeah, it's rubber, but it's not all to what it lives up to be. There are lots of aftermarket companies that provide high quality floor mats, and that's exactly what I did. So we have, as you guys know, 3W floor liners in our Tundra. I'll show you guys right here. Excuse the mess. I haven't been able to clean a little bit, so obviously it's pretty dusty. Got lots of my pup hair in it. But yeah, here she is. This is our floor mats that we've had about just a year and a half. As you can see, lots of dust on it, sand. I haven't really been able to clean my truck lately. But yeah, I love that you're able to pretty much pin these mats in, 3W's floor mats are made of, I believe, TPE material. So it's been doing really great for us. We've had 2 to 3 winners with these floor mats, and yeah, that's the condition. I mean, of course, if I were to clean it, it'd be looking brand spanking new, but this is the reality of what our driver's side of the floor mats look like. I really love that you're able to have your foot all the way up here. I know most mats you're not able to, so it leaves a lot of that exposed for here, and then of course getting lots of wear and tear right under here. As you can see, I have all my patches right here. It does great. It has that little like kick up right here, a little borderline. I really love these floor liners. We have them in the rear as well. Don't mind this right now. We're gonna go travel here soon, but I don't have any passengers in the back of my truck at all. So lots of what these mats see are pretty much just stuff, miscellaneous stuff that I do put back here. So these rear floor mats back here pretty much brand spanking new, and as for pretty much just all the other floor mats, driver's side, and like you guys seen in the rear seat. And coming up to the passenger side, I pretty much just only have my wife sitting here, and yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. Pretty similar to the driver's side that you guys seen on the other side. Yeah, no curling in here at all. Again, we've had these mats since 2023 of August, I believe. So just about almost 2 years. We're a couple months shy of hitting 2 years, but yeah, nothing but regular maintenance, washing here and there. As you guys may know, 2 of these on both sides of the truck. There you go. As you can see, decently clean underneath. And I do love that there are teeth underneath these mats, so that it pretty much gets stuck into the carpet. So not many mats, they do have the teeth, but then they're not as like firm, so they slide everywhere. But yeah, we've had, again, these mats for almost 2 years. These guys have been great to us, but we recently made the upgrade with our floor mats by 3W. Yeah, we still drive a basic Tundra, but that doesn't mean we can't have upgraded floor mats, because anything upgraded from a basic Tundra just feels better. Let's guide for you. I'll pull that out, see what I can do with one hand. Try and be All right. So these are the upgrades that I'm talking about. So it's pretty much your standard floor mats, but here's the kicker. Look at that. So I believe this is the passenger side that I pulled out. And as you can tell, immediately there is a carpet. There is a carpet on the, I believe they're only driver's side and passenger side. There isn't carpet material for the rear. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab my passenger side and pretty much show you the difference of, this is a brand new mat and a mat that's been in our truck for the last 2 years. All right, so there you have it. We have the 2-year-old mat right here on our left, and then we have the brand new mat here on our right. And as you can see, the only difference is pretty much having that carpet insert on top of the mat. And again, I believe you guys are able to purchase either or, however you want it. You can just purchase the regular floor mats, all-weather floor mats, and then you can purchase the all-weather floor mats here, and then have the additional upgrade to having this carpet insert. So that's pretty much the only difference. You can't buy these, I believe, the carpet insert separate and then add it on later if you wanted to. We're going to go ahead and pull this off, and there you guys have it. It's pretty much identical. The designs are the same, other than having these little knobs on top of where the mats lock. So you're still able to lock these mats on the passenger side and then place this carpet insert over that mat. As you can see, it just pretty much pops right in. So a little more plush for your feet, other than it performing the same way. Again, that difference is pretty much only the carpet insert. So nothing too big of a drastic change. But yeah, I'll show you right now, right here, what we are rocking. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab those new ones right out of the box and then have a side-by-side comparison. So these are the 2-year-old mats sitting right here with lots of sand, dirt, rocks, whatever you name it. I'm gonna go ahead, you guys can look at the fitment right here. It's pretty good, not too bad. Lots of coverage. Remember it now, because I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Ooh, getting dirt everywhere. All right, now that's out. Before I permanently put these in, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this, because that's kind of my ick. You know, I have to have these carpets vacuum before I put these mats down. All right. So we got the new mats in. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and take this carpet insert out so that I can go ahead and lock these floor mats. Boom, just like that. Perfect fit. So these are what the mats look like, again, with no carpet insert. Perfect fit, snug. They look pretty much brand new again. Let's go ahead and put these carpet inserts in there. Once you hear the click, and there you go. Now you got some plush feeling on your feet. But yeah, there you go. That is the upgrade by 3W floor liners. Again, let me know what you guys think. We shown you guys the passenger side, and we just shown you the driver's side. I'm not going to do the rear because it is the whole same mat. There is no carpet lining or carpet insert for the rear, just the driver's side and the passenger side. But overall, looks pretty great. I'll get you guys a closer look. Look at that. And you also have the nice 3W logo right there on both sides, I believe. And then here's the mat that we've had again for 2 years. I mean, it's pretty identical. Again, it just needs a decent cleaning for it, and then it looks brand new. So I mean, I don't even see why, honestly, that I would have to replace these floor mats up front unless I wanted the carpet inserts. But other than that, I mean, these mats have done us really good. Pretty much all seasons for the last 2 years. And yeah, I mean, we got 28,000 miles on our truck. I believe these floor mats, if you were to put some mileage on it, it has about 18,000 miles. So not terrible at all. I mean, not really any wear and tear other than seeing some dirt on there. But having dirt on your floor mats are pretty much inevitable. So I hope so. If your guys' floor mats are somewhat dirty, then I guess your shoes are too clean. But yeah, I mean, that's just for today's video. Something a little real quick. You know, I wanted to get these out for you guys, you know, because there's so many options out there for floor mats, and I just wanted to show you what 3W has to offer. They have 2 options for your Tundra, your 3rd gen Tundra, if you guys are driving one. If for the other vehicles, I'm not too sure exactly what options they have as for the carpet inserts. I know the 2nd gen Tundra had these carpet inserts first, and then they just came out with the 3rd gen option not too long ago. I think it's been a few months. But yeah, I love the upgrade. It looks great. If I didn't get these just because of the carpet inserts, again, I probably wouldn't have been needing to replace my floor mats for, honestly, maybe 2-3 years. Because I mean, 2 years of that's what it looks like now. I mean, it's in pretty much really good condition. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on having those 2 options right there by 3W accessories. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like videos like that, just pretty much simple comparisons of, you know, what we've had in our truck compared to, you know, I guess the longevity of what each product lasts. Again, because nowadays lots of people always say they don't make it like they used to, and sometimes they do with other products. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like videos like that, stay tuned for more. If not, let me know what you guys are interested in watching with my videos. I'm gonna try and get back into it, create more videos. It's summertime, it's hot, you know, sun's out more. Get out there longer, do our thing. So thank you again for watching, appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.